Making a top out of a paper clip. Let's see if we can get these to spin. Oh, look at that thing go. Hey, I was digging around in the pile. Now, you know, I don't know how old I am. So if I had a top like this when I was 5 years old.
Oh boy.
How old is this top?
Around 60-ish?
50?
Yeah.
50. Yeah, 50. You're a good man. You guys can leave. No, I'm over 70. I'm in my 8th decade, let's put it that way.
Okay.
We didn't have television when I was little. I would sit there for days just doing this. Hey, wouldn't it be exciting to have a top like that? Yeah. Okay, so guess not. I thought you'd be excited seeing my top. It's supposed to demonstrate gyroscopic action or something like that, or centrifugal force. Did I introduce where we were? Did I say welcome to Midnight Science Club? No. Or I just started talking? Welcome to Midnight Science Club. I'm Jake Wizard 4, and we're going to do a little science activity today. Not necessarily to get too deep into the science, but I want to see if you've got the mettle, M-E-T-T-L-E. What does that mean, mettle? M-E-T-T-L-E, the endurance to do something. This is a simple little activity, and all it is making a top out of a paper clip. Duh. Now that can't be too complicated, could it? So you've got some paper clips, right? And a pair of pliers. Here's a picture. You see that shape you got there? You can kind of see how that came from a paper clip. It was bent. 4 bends and a curve, and that's a top. And here's some that are already made. So everybody get one that's already made. The guys in the crew made these, so they might work and they might not. Let's see if we can get these to spin.
Oh, they work.
Oh, look at that thing go. That must have been one that I made. You gotta put the right spin on that thing. Look at this, look at this. Look at there, that's pretty good, right? What you got? You made a little top, right? And if you get it right, it spins for a long time. Part of the problem is getting everything lined up in a straight row. Because see, this thing, this axle has to be straight. And if one side of it's bent, the thing wobbles. So I'm gonna leave you guys to it. And I'll see you in a couple days.
3 days later.
Everybody look in the camera and say, we gotta say goodbye now.
Bye. Bye now.
We've been working on these tops for days. Hours. Look at them, they're just about to fall apart. You try making a top like this, and if you want the directions on how to make a top like this, you can get the picture and thing. Where would they go?
Midnight Science Club.
Midnight Science Club.